search for a beautifully built and well-designed wireless phone charger, we've tested dozens of products and mostly stumbled across poor quality chargers that overheated, slowly charged and looked like something you'd want to hide. Our mission was to create the most beautiful, technologically advanced charger that is built without any compromises. The result is a combination of the most exclusive materials brought together in one product. We call it the Brick. Its solid 10 ounces rich base provides the right feel to it and lets the charger sit perfectly in its base. The components are CNC milled from solid materials and hand finished for the perfect look. To make the Brick stain resistant, the wood is sealed with a natural oil coating. We've created 4 unique material combinations. For the base, we've designed an aluminum and brass version. You can also select a space gray or anodized silver version. The top is made from genuine American walnut wood. It charges not only the newest smartphones without any additional accessories, but also any other SHE-certified device. Finding ourselves at the crossroads of integrating common, ordinary components or the premium, long-lasting, most reliable ones, we always chose the last. I'm Ruben, founder and owner of Balolo. Since 2012, we continue building genuine wood products for modern electronics. We've shipped tens of thousands of products to our satisfied customers. Throughout the years, we've developed the experience to bring products to the market. So, Kickstarters, to finance tooling and materials, we need to produce high quantities. Therefore, we are asking for your support. Please help us bring this product to market and back our campaign.